Today, I'm unveiling a common oversight parents often make that can lead to unnecessary awakenings and disrupted sleep for their babies. Let's delve into this topic and discover the better approach for a well-rested little one. But before that, if you are not already a part of our community, consider subscribing to our channel for more content on parenting. The common misunderstanding here is related to the unique sleep patterns of babies, which are quite different from those of adults. When we sleep, adults experience a phase known as REM, rapid eye movement sleep, during which our muscles become temporarily paralyzed to prevent us from physically acting out our dreams. However, newborns lack this paralysis during REM sleep, leading to more movement during this stage. This means that they might make various sounds, such as cooing or crying, and exhibit physical movements like smiling, frowning, or even body twitches while they're asleep. It's important for parents to understand these normal sleep behaviors in babies to avoid unnecessary worry or disturbances. The mistake occurs when parents misinterpret their newborn's active sleep as wakefulness. During this active sleep phase, babies can exhibit movements, noises, and even facial expressions that might make it seem like they're awake. However, it's important to note that this is often still part of their sleep cycle. Rushing to soothe them during this time can unintentionally disrupt their sleep. Waiting a bit longer and observing their behavior can often reveal that they are, in fact, still asleep. This understanding can prevent unnecessary disturbances and help both parents and babies enjoy more peaceful sleep. Rushing in too quickly to soothe your baby during their active sleep phase can have unintended consequences. It may lead to unintentionally waking your baby, causing their nap to be shorter and potentially putting them in a cranky mood. If this pattern repeats regularly, your baby might develop a habit of brief arousals turning into full awakenings, which can disrupt their sleep patterns and make it challenging for both you and your baby to get the rest you need. It's essential to recognize these sleep phases to avoid these disturbances and ensure more peaceful sleep for your little one. To avoid falling into this trap, it's crucial to pause and observe when your baby starts moving or making noises during their sleep, rather than rushing in to intervene right away. By allowing your baby the opportunity to self-soothe and settle back into sleep during these brief arousals, you can help them establish healthier sleep habits and enjoy more restful sleep in the long run. It's all about finding the right balance between comforting your baby when needed and giving them the space to sleep peacefully. Newborns often exhibit noisy sleep patterns and may even release little cries while they're asleep. This is typically because they briefly wake up between sleep cycles. It's essential to know that they can often drift back to sleep on their own if they are still tired, comfortable, and not hungry. The solution here is to pause and observe. You can listen to your baby through a monitor or quietly enter their room for a few minutes to assess the situation. This approach allows you to determine whether your baby truly needs comfort or if they are capable of self-soothing and returning to sleep independently. It's important to remember a few key strategies during this observation process. Firstly, using white noise can be effective in masking any startling sounds from your environment. Try to avoid being in your baby's line of sight, as even slight movements can potentially awaken them. When entering the room, do so quietly, as research has shown that babies are more easily aroused by their mother's voice than by a smoke alarm. In the future, when you hear your baby's nocturnal noises, remember to take a pause and assess the situation before rushing to intervene. This small change in approach can make a significant difference in your baby's sleep routine. I sincerely hope that the insights you've gained today will prove valuable in ensuring peaceful sleep for both you and your baby. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.